SOUN. Is SOUN stock a buy or not? 5th of April and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm answering that and giving you my full SoundHound AI stock analysis and price prediction. So we're sitting at 529 right now. First things first, I'm still super bullish, expecting the price to continue and take out new highs. But before I get into it, just for context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins, only 2023. And I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So, SoundHound AI stock. Honestly speaking, man, like as long as the price stays above this line, I'm going to be bullish like this to highs. This is not financial advice. Like, if it starts breaking lower, then I'm deleting this, and this is not valid right now because it's going to be off of the range, and it's not going to be no more like a bullish range. So I'm just waiting. That's what trading is all about. Like, wait for your rules to be met, and that's it. I mean, that's what trading edge is. It's not just gambling. Obviously use discretion, but if you're not 5 years in, don't use it. So I'm already like 4 years in myself, so I'm not even five. Obviously not set rule, but for more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.